Dear student, today we are starting lesson number 5, Food Safety, Part 2. Qualitative and quantitative wastage of food. Quantitative wastage of food. Quantitative wastage of food means more amount of food is lost due to the improper storage, wrong method of distribution of food, hand sowing of seeds, inadequate threshing, etc. Feasts and banquets result into lots of quantitative loss of food. Qualitative wastage of food. Using wrong methods of food preservation, excessive use of food preservatives, the quality of the food is reduced, and this is called as qualitative wastage of food. Due to overcooking of the food, washing the vegetables after cutting them, the nutritional value of that food is reduced, and this is called as qualitative wastage of food. Ways to prevent food spoilage and food wastage. What can we do to prevent the food spoilage and food wastage? You have to take only that you can finish eating. Eat all the food that has been taken in the plate. Do not throw leftover food but reuse it instead. Do not overcook the food. Due to overcooking, the nutritional value of the food is reduced. Buy foodstuffs that are needed. Do not overstock by excessive purchases. Store grains and other perishable foodstuffs by using proper methods. Confirm the expiry date of processed food before its use. Methods of food preservation. In the 5th standard, we have learned different methods of food preservation. That is freezing, drying, boiling, and airtight packing, that is canning. Freezing. Due to low temperature of freezers, the biological and chemical reaction in the food material are slowed down, thus food remains unspoiled for a longer period. Smoking. When the food is preserved with the help of smoke, it is called smoking. Aluminum phosphide is used in this method. Use of insecticides. Many insecticides are sprayed on the container of the grains. Insecticides protect the grains by killing infecting insects. Irradiation. Food is exposed to ionizing radiations, such as high energy electrons emitted by accelerators, X-rays, gamma rays, etc. Irradiation destroys the microbes and insects in the food. Use of inert gas. Nitrogen gas is filled in airtight packets of potato wafers and other food products. This is for prevention of the growth of fungus and insect in them. Use of preservatives. Natural preservatives. Salt, sugar, oil, these are natural preservatives used for preservation of the food. Chemical preservatives. Acetic acid, that is vinegar, citric acid, these are the chemical preservatives used in day-to-day life. Pasteurization. In this method, milk is heated up to a certain temperature followed by quick cooling. This process was developed by Louis Pasteur. Food adulteration. Adding cheaper substances of low quality to the food to gain more profit is called food adulteration. The adulterants are harmful for health and consuming such food is wrong. For example, in black pepper, seeds of papaya are added. In turmeric powder, metanyl yellow color is added. In honey, water of jaggery is added. In milk, water or urea is added. In cereals and pulses, black stones are added. The ways of food adulteration. Removing the important components of food. For example, removal of fat content of milk, essence of cloves, etc. Adding harmful color to food. Mixing of low quality or cheaper material to food. Mixing of materials like small stones, fine sand, iron fillings, urea, dung of horse, sawdust, etc., which are very harmful. To make fruits more attractive and tasty, some chemicals are injected into them. Urea is added to the milk by milk vendors so that it appears as if having higher fat content. Expiry date of the food packets and airtight containers is changed by shopkeeper because they want to avoid a financial loss. FDA stands for Food and Drug Administration. It is government organization that controls production and distribution of food and drugs by their standardization.